Listener, you should be getting dressed. By the way, I bought you a bathing suit. So cute, right? It can't be just me. Yeah. Yeah, totally. It's not showing. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? But anyway, here. Yeah, go ahead. So anyway, yeah, Ray had a fit, but Dawn and Norman are carrying him outside right this minute, actually. Yep, right this minute, they're carrying him right now. He's being a douche. I know. How is you, the most beautiful creature of all time, dating someone like him? Huh. Princess. No. Princess. Is it just me, or is that ringing a bell to you? Is it not? Should I keep saying it so I can remind you? No? Okay. Now put this on, let's go. Hey, let me go. No, you have to go, Ray. Yeah. Ouch. You hit me. Oh my god, stop, Ray. No. Let me go. Listener's about to come out. Let me go. What? Ow. What are you doing? Why are you being... What? Why are you being... Ow. Why are you being like this? Stop it, Ray. Let him go. He wants to see. Listener, that's why. Ooh. Okay. Here. Thank you. God damn. How beautiful. Jesus Christ. He is like... I know, right? Like, he instantly changes his personality. It's like, we didn't know him. We don't know him. I don't think we know him at all. We never even had a girlfriend before, so I don't think we, like, at all. You know? Yeah, you're right. You're not wrong, but, like, I wonder why he doesn't have a girlfriend. Except Anna's like a kind of a weirdo, right? Is she not? No, you're right. You are absolutely right. I'm just saying, like, listener was like the only one for him, and he's like trying to make that as good as possible. He loves her, and is like kind of cringy. You're not saying it, but still, like, Emma, it's beautiful. Exactly. Like I've never seen Ray so happy before. Yeah, so Materia girl. Should have Dawn. Anyway. So, hi listener. So anyway, let's go. We need to go to the beach. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Yes, I brought toys. I brought things for Phil and all. And all kinds of stuff. Well, we can, like, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I've never been to the beach, okay? Do you wanna, so, like, do you want, like, I don't know. Like, do you want to hang out with, me, or, me? Okay, here. Right, you can stop. Ray, you can stop. Please stop. Or me, you could still hang out with me, but also you gonna have to hang out with me. Of course. Listener, which one do you want to pick, Ray or Ray? Which one? God, dumbass. Yeah, which one? Yeah, Ray or Ray, which one? Jesus Christ. What you guys laughing about? What? My God. What do you want? Nothing at all. Hey guys. Hi, Gilda. You've never been in a video before. I haven't? No. You're different. Oh. So you're gonna have to go. Oh, okay. Okay. No, wait. Okay, Dawn, go get your girl. Now go. Go. With her. Go. They hurt. No, I don't want to. Why? Because she's like really not my type, so. What is your type? Don't look at her. She's mine. Come here. I think we should get away from the pedophile. Oh, excuse me? I can't believe it. He just said that. Badass right. Badass right. Let's go, girly. Yes. Yes, girly. Yes, queen. Emma, you're so funny. Thank you. Do you not hang out with me, Emma? And we can do, hang out with, the others? Or, us in private or something? Not like I like you or something. Just go out with her. Ray! Well, I'm really saying this. I would like to hang out with you just for a private. Finally, just go. Oh, shut up, Ray. Anyway, wait, no, Ray, come here. Actually, come here. What? Does this ring a bell? Look like. Here, listen to this. Princess. Ring a bell? At all? I fucking hate you. Of course you do. Everyone does. Anyway. Princess. Shut up. Princess. Shut up. Okay. So, listener, do you know, hang out, make out? hang out? I know. I think, we can just, chill and go in the ocean. Take off that thing. No? Why? What's under that? Is there anything under it? There is? Okay. Can I see? Oh, okay. Okay, yes, ma'am. You don't have to show me. Ma'am. Okay, I'll shut up. Do you I don't know what to do. Shut up. Oh, sorry. You're just two idiots to an idiot. You know, idiot? Stop, please. You're hurting my feelings. Yeah, what feelings? You don't have none. Was your mom dead? Shut up, Emma. Hey, listener, watch it. Thanks. Listener. Sorry, Princess. Princess. Fucking hate you. I love you, I guess. I'm joking. I love you. Do you want to hang out? Okay, Ocean? Okay. You're gonna have to take the top off to go in the ocean. Why? Because I said so, girlie. Sorry, like, she copied me, so I felt like I should copy her. So, yeah. Girlie! Is that accurate? Yeah, great. So... No, I'm not looking at anything. Just do your thing, okay? Just take it off. Very slowly. And I'll be over here, okay? I'm just gonna get some water. Yeah, we brought, no, definitely. I'm going to get water to cool myself down, you know? There's water surrounding us. I mean, well, if you didn't know, I'm allergic. So I have to have filtered water. Okay, fine, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Sorry. That nothing came out of my mouth. Oh my god. Why are you so beautiful? I mean, can I touch? Okay, I won't. Well, like, ooh, is Ray blushing? Is it just me, or is he, you know, he's slay? Yeah, it's great. Anyway, Ray, cool down. Stop spraying me with fucking water. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? I don't know, I'm scared. Because he's now British. Not Australian. What the fuck is Australia? Get off. Hey, Lister, can you sound my foot? Shh. Hey, Dawn. Yeah. If you ever say that to her ever again, I will hurt you. You understand me? You understand me right now? You understand? Can you stop doing your voice like that? Yeah, I will. Because now you're just ruining my life. So shut the fuck up. Okay? Never say that to her for fucking again. You're gonna ruin my life and her life, so shut the fuck up. You understand? Yeah, I understand. Okay, great. Pool party. Yes. This is so fun, though. Tag. You cannot run away from me. Yes, I'm fine. I just fell in the water. And it's not that deep, so it hurt. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm drowning. Yeah. I need CPR. No, don't press my chest. I need CPR. Yes. On my mouth. Now. No. No, I actually do. I can't breathe. Oh. See, it was a trick if you didn't know that. Yeah, of course, princess. Princess! Shut up. Oh, okay. So, anyway, what do you want to do? Your Majesty. Well, we could, I don't know, swim? To what? I don't know. There's something out here. Just water. And this thing, I don't know what it is. It's called sand, and I don't know what to do with it. I don't like it. You like sand? Oh, I love it too. What do you mean? Like, of course, who doesn't like fucking sand? Like, that's so weird. Like, I love sand. You gonna make a sand castle? Okay, let's do it. Listener? I mean, princess. Do you, I don't know how to make, well, the sand is kind of like falling. Hey, don't call me an idiot. You're the, princess. Anyway, how do you make a sandcastle? Listen, princess, your majesty. You get sand, put it in water, and it will stick? Okay, let's do it. Wow, who made this? Who the hell are you? Hi, who are you? No one. Oh, no one? Really? Well, if you didn't know, I'm, like, popular around here. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, the sandcastle, did you build it? Well, I had to help with oh, really? You did it by yourself? No, well, if you don't mind. Ma'am. Oh, don't call me ma'am. That's kind of rude, you know. Ma'am, step back, please. Oh, no. So, boy, get flustered. I'm getting red because you're embarrassing me. I only get red for one person and one person only. Huh? Princess. That's who. Who the hell is Princess? That's such a stupid name. Excuse me? Well, you can be with me and, like, I'll treat you actually like a queen. Or like a king. Sorry. Oh, can you? Yeah, you wanna go out? Like right now? Are you waiting for someone? Absolutely not, you're not. So let's go. I am, actually. Hey, princess, how are you? Good. Who the hell are you? His lover? Like you could do anything. Anyway. She's kind of pathetic, you know. That outfit's pathetic, too. Get off of me. What? Get off of me now. 5, 4, 3. Okay, I'll go. Hi, listener. How are you? Good. I love the sandcastle. Yes. Thank you for helping me. Of course. Love you. Hey, can we go back? It's getting dark. Yeah, sure. Let's go.